Hi students, good morning everybody. Welcome to our maths class. As we started polygons in the previous class, let us continue. Here, regular polygon means I told you, a polygon is said to be regular if all the sides are equal as well as all the angles, interior angles are also equal. So each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides is 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees. This is the formula we use for doing problems. So let us see one problem here. If each interior angle of a, if each interior angle of a regular polygon is 144 degrees. Find the number of sides in it. Find the number of sides in it. How many sides does it have? We should calculate the number of sides in it, right? So for that, each interior angle, already I told you there. What is the each interior angle of a? Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees. But as per the data, what is given here? 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees is equal to what is given here? 144. Clear? Now we have to calculate the value of n. Simple. So I'll just shift 90 that side first and split this 2n by n minus 4 by n equal to 144 upon 90. Okay? Here n cancel. So what is remaining? 2 minus 4 by n equal to 2 4s 8, 2 5s, 2 7s, 2 2s, 9 5s, 9 8s are. So 8 by 5. So 4 by n shift this side by 4 by n. 2 minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5 shift this side. So 4 by n equal to 5 LCM. 5 2s are 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 means 2 by 5. So 4 by n equal to 2 by 5. Cross multiply. 2n equal to 5 4s are 20. So n equal to 20 upon 2. So n equal to 10. So therefore number of sides how many? So that regular polygon is 10-sided polygon, means decagon. 10-sided polygon. So that is nothing but a decagon. Okay. So this is the way we calculate, right? Next question we will see. The sum of the interior angles of a, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 6 times the sum of exterior angles. The sum of exterior angles. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Find the number of sides of the polygon. How many formulas are involved here? How many formulas are involved here? 2 formulas, right? The sum of interior angles. The sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. The sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. I told you the formula, revise it. Next, sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees, right? Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees, right? Now, question is what? The sum of interior angles 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees is equal to 6 times sum of exterior angles. That means 6 times 360. So 2n minus 4 is equal to 6 times 360 by 90. 0, 0, 9 4s are 36. So 2n equal to 24 plus 4. 2n equal to 28. So n equal to 28 by 2. 14. So how many sides it has? Number of sides equal to 14. So how many sides it has? 14. Next question is, third question, the ratio between the interior angle and the exterior angle. The interior angle and the exterior angle. Interior angle and the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 2:1. Then find each exterior angle of the polygon. Each exterior angle of the polygon. Second, number of sides of the polygon. Okay. Let us see the solution. Here again two formulas are there, right? What is the first formula? The ratio between interior angle and the exterior angle. So I want here each interior and each exterior, right? So each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides equal to 2n minus 4 90 degrees. Similarly, each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n sides equal to 360 degrees by n. So these two are the formulas, but as per the data, what is given? Ratio we should find 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees is to 360 degrees by n equal to how much is given? 2:1. n gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 9 ones are 9 fours are cancelled. So what is remaining here? 2n minus 4 is to 4 equal to 2:1. So I can write like this: ratio is nothing but division. 2n minus 4 by 4 equal to 2:1 means 2 by 1. Okay, A is to B means what will you write? A by B. Ratio can be found by using division. So cross multiply. 2n minus 4 equal to 2 fours are 8. So 2n equal to 8 plus 4, 12. So n equal to 12 by 2, 6. Therefore number of sides how many? 6 means hexagon, right? Regular hexagon. Number of sides of the polygon we got 6. Each exterior angle. First question, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n. 360 degrees by n means I got 6. So what is the each exterior angle? 60 degrees. Okay. Similarly, number of sides, second question answer is number of sides equal to how much? 6. Means it is what? Regular hexagon. How many sides it has? 6 sides. So what is the each interior angle? First you say exterior angle, how much? Each exterior angle. Exterior means you have to extend the sides. So here this is 60. So each exterior angle is 60 here. This is 60. Then this is also, this is 60. This is also 60. This is also 60. So if you extend this is also 60. Okay. So interior will be 120, right? Each interior angle of regular hexagon will be 120 degrees. What is the each interior angle of regular hexagon? 120 degrees. Because 120 plus 60, 180. Straight angle it forms. Everywhere you see straight angle it forms. So that is the concept behind this. Okay? We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.